Hey man, I cannot believe Nike is bringing back one of them ones, bro. And I ain't gonna lie, bro, we might have a problem with this upcoming drop. I gotta see all you guys' thoughts and opinions down below in the comment section, man. YouTube, man, what is going on, everybody, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. Trying to give you guys some new, refreshing content, so you are in the know overall in the sneaker community. There's so much different things that go on, shock drops, restock. Speaking of restocks, the Air Jordan 4 Military Blues restocked out of nowhere on JD Sports. Literally happened out of nowhere this morning. If you were able to get a pair, man, let me know down below in the comment section. Already got like 4-5 pairs, so your boy really didn't need any more. But, you know what I'm saying, here in the near future, we might see more restocks and shop drops and stuff like that. Nike been having a lot of different things up their sleeve in terms of the restocks and stuff. So if you are new here to the channel and you don't want to miss out on any of that information, man, make sure you guys subscribe right now and hit the notification bell for your boys so you miss out on any content. Like I said, more restocks, more shock drops are coming, and we got a crazy month of June full of drops that I think you guys will be really interested in. We already got some early looks on the way to the studio to break down for you guys. And without further ado, you guys already know, man, every single video, man, we want to get up to 400 likes, man. So if you're watching and you want to help your boy out, y'all see we like less than 3-4K away from 100K. Help your boy out by leaving a huge like on today's video, man. All right, so you guys seen the thumbnail, you seen the title, you know we talking about an upcoming Air Jordan 1. There's been a lot of buzz surrounding this colorway in general, and I was just a little confused on why they are dropping it during this time. You guys are gonna see exactly what I'm talking about. And bam, man, there you have them, bro. The Air Jordan 1 lost and found what we have in hand. But the sneaker we are gonna be getting is the Air Jordan 1 Low Chicago's. And I don't know if you guys see my mock-ups and, you know, the different pictures and stuff you've been seeing over on the, you know, Instagram and Twitter. They look more like a lost and found Air Jordan 1 Low. You know what I'm saying? Kind of give it an aged look, kind of give it a sale midsole and stuff like that, giving it that nice aged vintage look. And I think people are gonna go crazy for that Air Jordan 1 Low in particular, man. We got the Air Jordan 1 Low shadows. I feel like people respected them enough, you know what I'm saying? I know they kind of still sitting in a couple different areas, but in terms of the masses, in terms of, you know, appreciating a drop, man, the shadows were no-brainer, must cop for a lot of OGs. And I definitely know that when these Air Jordan 1 Low Chicago's come out with that, you know what I'm saying, sale hits, with the sale laces, with that vintage look overall, people are gonna go bananas over them. Because I want you guys to do one thing. I want y'all to do one thing for your boy. Go check out the resale for the Air Jordan 1 Low Chicago's that dropped a while back. And you guys are gonna know exactly why people are gonna go crazy over this upcoming Air Jordan 1 Low Chicago. And what's kind of interesting about this one, man, we haven't seen a lot of people talking about it too much because it's getting floated around from the end of 2024, spring, summertime of 2025. And whenever we do get that solid date, that solid timeline, you guys know, of course, you're going to see it everywhere over the internet. But you probably already seen the initial, you know, little rumor mills here and there. But this Air Jordan 1 Low is long overdue. And it only makes sense because, you know what I'm saying, we got these a couple years back. This was a sneaker of the year for 2020, what was that, 2022 or 2021? I think it was 2022 when these released, and now they, you know what I'm saying, fast forward a couple years, and we get another lookalike, you know what I'm saying, the Chicago Air Jordan 1 Lows, bro. We need them, bro. Your boy definitely need them in the collection. I've been beating these things up, and if you go check my Instagram, you probably seen me in like 3-4 different outfits with me wearing these lost and found Air Jordan 1s. For the longest, I went crazy over the breads, and now we transitioned to, like I said, lost and founds. It seemed like I'm more of a Chicago fan rather than the breads, even though the bread one is like, you know, top 2, or probably one of my favorite, you know, sneakers of all time behind the Carmines. And, you know, lo and behold, I don't have the regular Air Jordan 1 breads. I have the satins, I have the patent breads, but I have no original, you know what I'm saying, 2016 OG cut bread Air Jordan 1. Yeah, man, I want you guys to definitely respect the lows. You guys know I went crazy and got 2 pair of the black toe lows since we aren't getting the OG black toes this year. We're going to be getting the reimagined joints. And we also have the Shadow 1 lows like I was talking about, man. Had to have these, even though I do have the highs already, but you cannot go wrong with a pair of Air Jordan 1 lows. It's perfect for the summertime. You can wear it all year long. And I know a lot of people out there do prefer lows over highs, so you know what I'm saying, these OG colorways come back out. It's definitely a plus in my honest opinion. So I only showed y'all a couple lows just because I don't want y'all to think I'm just hype beasting up because it is Chicago. Man, I've been going crazy with the Jordan 1 lows lately, and I feel like definitely, you know what I'm saying, a Royal Jordan 1 low, a Chicago Jordan 1 low would not be bad at all, in my honest opinion. I know I cannot be the only one excited about another Chicago Jordan 1 coming out. These things right here, super cold, man. I got to give you guys my honest thoughts and reactions over the initial news we got for Chicago come back out, man. But please let me know in the comment section how you feeling about it, bro. The loss of fouls broke the internet a couple years ago, and now we're getting a low. This might be the same situation. I'm telling y'all, it might be another crazy, huge problem we have on our hands, man. I'm just being honest with y'all. Yo, guys, and since I already got y'all here, man, I'm super interested in knowing, man, who will be going after the Jordan 17 Lightnings. Me, myself, I'm super interested in grabbing them, but it seems like they're impossible to find in local malls, local shoe stores, and stuff like that, man. So if you will be going after them, you know, a couple mom and pop shops around you, and you think about your boy DeVintage, man, hit me up, because the resale prices is crazy. People want a $450, people want $500. I asked one dude, he said he wants $700. I said, bro, not for a pair of 17s. Now, come on, bro, don't break my pockets like that. But let me know down below in the comment sections if you will be snagging them, bro. Me, myself, I'm still on the lookout. Told y'all the Balvins, the 17 Lightnings, the Latte ones, which did release today. Let me know if you copped them, were all on my hit list for the month of May. You know, they pushed up the Air Jordan 4 Military Blues for May the 4th. So, you know, it's a good month. It's a good month of drops. I hope you guys are satisfied with Jordan Brand because they bringing some heat out this year, in my honest opinion. Be on the lookout for them 17s for your boy. They're releasing a couple of days. Somebody can help me out, man. That would be super dope, bro. But if not, let me know if you will be going to securing a personal for yourself. The Air Jordan 17 Lightning joint. Like I've been telling you guys for the last couple of days, man, I will be going live over on Whatnot. I'm gonna put the link on the screen if you guys are watching on TV, so you guys can join up. You get $15 credit to Whatnot. And a lot of things we'll be selling will be going under 15 bucks. So make sure you use that link. Use that 15 bucks credit from your boy DeVintage. Go follow me. Y'all can thank me later during a Whatnot stream where you get a crazy, crazy steal. Might be some sneakers, might be some clothing, might be some hats. You never know what you're gonna get over on Whatnot with your boy DeVintage. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. Subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you miss out on any future updates about restock, shop drops, what we getting in 2028. I got y'all here on the channel. Leave a huge like before you slide out of this thing, man. And with all this being said, bro, your boy DeVintage gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.